Good morning, my dear viewers. Welcome to our S Square Mathematics YouTube channel. This is Santosh, and hope you are watching all my videos regularly in your convenient time. And recently we discussed our various problems related to competitive examinations. Today we are going to discuss our problems, a non-routine problem which is connected to Olympiad and which falls under the topic called polynomials. So let us go through our question now. So given 3x squared plus x is equal to 1, then find the value of the expression 6x cubed minus 3 minus x squared minus 3x plus 2021. So by saying this question, many of the students will get confused how to proceed it. Okay, so let us switch on to the solution now. So let 3x square plus x is equal to 1 implies 3x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0 be equation 1. Nothing but transposing 1 to this side becomes negative. So now consider our expression. What is our expression? 6x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 2021. So this is a given quantity here. Using this we have to find out the value of this expression. So they said value, nothing but we are going to get a number, particular number. So let 3x squared plus x is equal to 1 implies 3x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Mark as equation 1. Consider our given expression to be simplified. So there exist here 4 terms. Under these 4 terms, first 3 terms you have the variables, and it is the expression of third degree cubic polynomial. So we have to simplify this expression to get the answer using our 3x square plus x is equal to 1. So if you observe carefully here, right from here to here, we are going to simplify. So if you are going to take 2x as common, so using this one we can substitute here. Nothing but 3x square plus x minus 1. If you multiply 2x into 3x square gives you 6x cube. 2x into x gives you 2x square. But here you have minus 1x square. Next 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. But here you have minus 3x. So it is valid or true for only the first term. 2x into 3x square is 6x cube. So in order to get the same term, some more steps we have to follow. So how to proceed now? Minus 1 if I take common, so that I can write again 3x square plus x minus 1. Again here minus 1 into 3x square is minus 3x square. And here it is, you got 2x square. 2x square minus 3x square is minus 1x square. So minus 1x square. And 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. And minus 1 into x is minus x. So minus 2x minus x gives you minus 3x. Okay, it is satisfied. But whatever the constant here, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Here we are having what? 2021. So to get our same value 2021, already you have been completed here plus 1, so that the remaining part is 2020. Now the constant left over is 2020, and minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2020 plus 1 is 2021. So if you are going to simplify now the total expression with respect to the like terms, finally you are going to get the same. Okay, now 2x, it stands for what? For equation 1 it is 0, minus 1 into here it is 0, and 2020. In order to substitute the value of 3x squared plus x minus 1 is nothing but 0, I have been expressed the expression with the 3 terms, given expression with the 3 terms 6x cubed minus 3x minus x squared minus 3x. Okay, with this one. So 2x into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0 here, plus 2020. Finally gives the answer 2020, the year. Now the present year 2020. So like this we can overcome the problem, the anxiety or the internal meaning of the given question. So this type of questions we can expect in the Olympiad examinations like RMO or INMO, next AMTI, Quest, ASRO examinations which you are going to write in the school level, as well as various other competitive examinations even after your 10th standard also. So this is a polynomials which is connected to our Olympiad topic. So dear viewers, after watching the video, please like, share, subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel to get more and more innovative videos in the coming days. Thank you.